Really excited about today's episode. We are joined by Neha Baghel, a developer with over 3 years of experience working as both backend and front end technologies. We will talk about basic fundamental and what young developers should focus on in 2026. Welcome to NextGen Tech Talk, Neha.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Doing good. How about you?
I'm doing good, sir. And happy Mahashivratri.
Same to you. Same to you. Good. So you remember all this festival as well, right?
Yes, sir. I'm
This is very
fasting.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great, great. Okay, so let's get started, Neha.
Yes,
Um, I'm going to ask you few questions, and try to engage into the conversation so that our viewers get some benefit out of it. Okay,
yes, sir.
okay, great.
And
So my first, yeah, you are saying something.
yes, sir. And one more thing. Thank you for
Hmm.
calling me out session. So thank you so much for calling me here, sir.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir. We
okay.
can start.
So yeah, thank you, Neha. So the first question I have is, if AI can write code, what is the real job of an engineer in 2026?
Yes, sir. That we all know that AI can write code, but an engineer decide that what to build, why to build, and whether it is correct or not. For
Hmm.
example, generate an login API, right? But an
Hmm.
engineer right that the security rules that suppose I am a developer and I know the concept like who I can give the admin access, the security bridges and check
Hmm.
performance,
Hmm.
and I ensure that business requirement, that I know the fully concept of what is the requirement behind using an API. So
Hmm.
it's typist,
Hmm.
but I should know the architect and decision maker. That is the all an engineer should know about it.
Absolutely. I think well explained, Neha.
Yeah.
Because building the business case, AI may help us, but
Yes.
still we need to supervise AI, right, as a human. So you have explained very well. And do you want to add anything else into this?
Yes, sir. We can give the correct prompt to AI and it will give us the correct solution. So it is all depends on us what we are prompting to AI.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah, so
so
it's very meaningful, very meaningful. Yeah. Okay, great. So yeah, you have well articulated that what we want to achieve, right? As a developer, that is foremost important. Then AI can do rest of the job, correct? And
correct.
maybe we need to once again review and do the full governance that whether we are doing it correctly or not. That is also our job.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I have very next question for you, Neha. What skill will make an average developer irrelevant in 3 years, and what skill will make them unstoppable?
Okay, sir. So an average developer will only know the syntax. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Working in front end and back end from scratch because I have worked in a startup company
Mm-hmm.
where AI after
Mm-hmm.
that. I don't know exactly the year, but I used AI after 2021,
Mm-hmm.
20 in between. So the average developer only knows how to write React component and how to write Laravel controller. But
Mm-hmm.
making them unstoppable, which is understanding system design, understanding how things connect, business understanding, and clear communication. So these all the things make them unstoppable. And I want to add something that instead of saying I create API or I build API, you just said I designed a scalable API that reduce responsible scalability. Yes, sir.
Excellent. I love your understanding, Neha. I think pretty. you know, well maintained. Your responses are very well maintained, and you know what needs to be answered for a specific question. And this type of answer person can share once they have experienced such things, right?
Yes, sir.
Without having hands-on exposure, it's very hard to understand where we are going.
Correct.
Good job, Neha. So I have follow-up questions. In your experience, what differentiate engineers who grow 10x faster than their peers? This is very, comparative questions, because
Yes,
we even working in a team, we visually see that who is performing well, how they apply their minds and so on, right?
yes.
So according to you, what do you think, what should be the differentiators?
Okay, sir. So, in my opinion,
Mm-hmm,
five traits are there. Like they take ownership, they learn continuously. Communication is the key
mm-hmm,
for, and they solve business problems, not just the tickets. So the average developer will say task completed, but
mm,
10x developer say I improved performance, I documented it, and I suggest future optimization. So this will
yeah.
make next developer.
That's correct. That's correct. I think this is very important. If we work as a machine, right, then definitely AI can do the job.
Correct.
Like you just create the automated machine, it will do everything what you want. But when you apply additional brain, right, adjust things, so then it called as a human, like
Right.
appropriate action on time. Okay, well going, Neha. I think we can move to the next questions, right? What role will human judgment play in world where AI gives perfect answer? We all use Chat GPT, and every
Correct.
time you ask some questions, it gives the perfect answers. So, according to you, what role will human judgment play?
Okay, so AI will give us probable answer, right? Not
Mm-hmm.
responsive. So human judgment decides ethics, security, and trade-offs, business risk. For example, AI may suggest a faster solution, but it may expose our sensitive data. Like I did a mistake in my personal experience. I share all my credentials, like all my crucial data of my company, which is escalated anytime. And they suggested me not to share the company name, what project we are
Mm,
working. So these judgment we have to decide as a developer or engineer, that what we should, what we want. Like, is it speed more than security? Yes, sir.
perfect, perfect, Neha. I think definitely our viewers are going to get more clarity what we are talking about currently, and I think the freshers and specifically students who are building their career currently or moving towards their future careers in the university, if they watch this type of episode, definitely they will learn many things from you,
Correct.
Neha. Yeah. Okay, so my next question to you is, what should a 25 years old engineer focus on if they want to build influence, not just code?
Sure, sir. So, in our colleges and while we are studying, uh, we don't know the public speaking thing. We don't understand communication. We just write and learning all the time. That things all we did in our school,
Hmm.
or if the person is introvert. Okay,
Right,
so learn only. But today's era, we know the communication is the key. I already told you about that. Public
right.
thinking, post what do you think, and about the prompt engineering, or there are so many tools.
Hmm.
So and talk taking initiative, helping others, and influence comes from clarity, reliability, and visibility, not just technical skills. That is all my.
Correct. Hmm. So it seems like most, HR related stuff as well, right? In your answers.
Yes,
So are you influenced by HR activities, or any of your friend is HR professional by any chance?
no, sir, not really. But
Okay.
if I improve more public speaking or
Hmm.
communication skills, so I
Yeah.
make visible even that
Ah.
this girl has something, not just
Hmm.
technical. If
Right.
I have to prepare, what should I say, and
Hmm.
what explain someone that all I know that. So,
Hmm.
so
So you
communication,
are already, yeah. So you
yes,
are already, practicing all this in your real life, right?
definitely.
Good. Good. Yeah. Okay. So we are moving to my next question. Let me see how much we have more. So if AI writes 70% of the code in next 3 years, right? This is
Yes,
very, critical question, which we need to understand, Neha, that if AI writes 70% of the code in next 3 years, what will differentiate a great developer from an average one?
okay. So the average developer, what will he do? He
Mm-hmm,
use AI and copies the output.
mm-hmm,
That average. But the great developer will gives better prompts,
mm-hmm,
right? And validates the output and improved architecture. Think about
mm-hmm,
optimizes cost. So these are doing by average developer. These all the things doing by a great developer,
mm-hmm.
and
Okay,
all they should know what they are prompting. The clear vision is more important using an
right.
AI.
And definitely, I think uh, more and more you are incline and understand the business use case, number
Yes,
one, and the business model, so definitely you can help better, right? Then accordingly you will do the architecture, accordingly you will build the feature and functionality. So this all comes with, all in one package, because you need to understand the entire outcome, not just building an application or the features, correct?
yes. Without validating it, whether it is correct or not, just
Mhm.
copy paste.
Good, good. Okay, I think um, we we discuss a lot, because we work every day in the office. We interact with our colleagues and friends, but we hardly find some time to discuss all this nitty-gritty, where we can create some impact,
Correct.
but at the workplace or maybe in the real life. So this is very important, and I'm very happy, Neha, that young engineers or developer like you, if you have this much greater clarity, so definitely you are doing great at your workplace. And the only thing which I can add at the end of this session, that good luck and keep doing good work. And then definitely whatever the goal you have planned for yourself, you are going to get it very soon. Well, thank you, Neha. Thank you for your time. And viewers, just listen to Neha, what she is adding, how she is practicing and doing the work. I think these are the things, if you keep practicing, you can make the changes.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
see you soon.